Hey guys, how's it going? How to create a VK account or Vkontakte account. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up the Vkontakte, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sign up via right here, the green button. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna just enter the zip code of my country by clicking right here the +7, and I'm gonna just add the country, and then I'm gonna add the zip code of that country, of course. Enter your phone number. Okay, yes, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and hit continue right here, and it says you will receive a call. Do not answer it, just enter the last 6 digits of that phone number. So as you can see right here, I already received a phone number. In the last 6 digits, you're gonna see it right here. Sorry, let me go back here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then I'm gonna enter the 6 digits right here, 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5 7. Okay, or 5 7 1 or 8 1 1, and then 5. Okay, and then I'm gonna continue, and then enter your first name, right, and last name, all right, and then enter your gender identity, and then select your birthday right here, which is, let's say, 2002, and then hit continue. And basically, I think now you just created your account. So, and as you can see right here, enter your, of course, your password right here, and afterwards just continue. All right, after you added your password, and then basically now you just created your Vkontakte account on your social Russian social media. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.